Hey again, everyone. Craig Galbraith, the voice of the channel. My bag is packed and I'm just about to head to the airport after a couple of really great days here in Austin, Texas for D&H Next Plus. But before I go, I wanted to share a really cool interview I got with one of D&H's software vendor partners. They're doing some great things with emerging technologies and working closely with D&H so the company's channel partners can solve business problems for customers. John, you were with Iternal Technologies,
That's
right?
Yep,
Tell us a little
absolutely.
bit about the company. Where are you based? What do you guys do?
Yeah, so we're actually here in Austin, Texas.
Yeah.
So I started the company about 7.5 years ago. It's been an amazing journey, really before AI was like the cool thing. But we build AI technologies, and we're a channel-first organization. So we create solutions that our partners like D&H and their value-added resellers, systems integrators can bring to market. And that spans everything from the laptop and desktop with secure offline AI technologies that can run on like the Intel AI PC, all the way to large-scale data center transformation solutions. So it's been a really exciting journey over the last couple of years to see these AI solutions mature. We've done thousands of these AI consulting sessions. I actually just wrote 2 new books that came out earlier this year on AI and how to implement it within an organization, and we build a lot of tools for enablement as well.
Yeah, so very cool. So one of the themes here at the event has been these complex technologies and how D&H is enabling partners to go to market. Talk a little bit about how that has impacted you, I guess, this week. It's obviously right in your wheelhouse.
Absolutely. Well, I think the thing that we're really excited about in terms of our partnership with D&H is that we've been able, through D&H, to bring some of these AI acceleration solutions to our partners to help them on their AI sales and transformation journeys selling to their end customers. So, for example, we have a technology called the AI Blueprint Builder, which is a guided solution that a channel partner can log into. They can do it interactively with their end customer. And after a 60-minute session, they can walk away with a set of professional services consulting deliverables that look like they cost $200,000 at a McKinsey level to create. And so it's through things like that that we've worked with D&H to make available to the partner community so they can have better, more effective conversations with their end customers to help them along that AI transformation for those emerging and next generation technologies.
You guys, your company, you do also consider yourself like an SI or a VAR? How do you consider yourself?
A little bit. We do some of the software development, but we typically like to be the subcontractor for one of the value-added resellers or the systems integrator. In an ideal world, we would just build cool software technologies, but I think in today's reality, that systems integration work is somewhat inescapable. So a lot of times, if we're working with a larger SI, we'll let them handle it. But in a lot of cases, we work with smaller and mid-market value-added resellers that maybe don't have those skills and capabilities, and so my team will pick it up there and provide that as a subcontractor to the channel partner.
Absolutely. What have you made of the discussions this week of the Advanced Solutions Plus business unit is really helping partners get out there and tackle those enterprise customers, whereas maybe D&H traditionally has been more in the SMB and small mid-market?
Well, I think the cool thing that we're seeing in the AI space today is that the same technologies that can be applied to an enterprise can also be used at a small and medium business level, right? Everybody has a legal department that has an opportunity for accelerated AI contract negotiations. Everybody has a back office, order management, supply chain need for AI acceleration. Sales and marketing is another big one. So I think the cool thing about what D&H has put together is that there's a continuous thread from the small and medium business side of things to the enterprise, where we work with a lot of channel partners and resellers that have very small staffs, but they're doing hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue with some of the largest companies. And so it's really interesting to see where even a small reseller that may be traditionally focused on SMB, they can use the support and the resources that D&H is now bringing to the table to enter in or opportunistically capture those larger enterprise opportunities and punch above their weight in ways that they may have not been able to before.
Yeah, that's the whole goal. John, thanks for your time. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Thanks so much.
Be sure to stay tuned to this space in the coming days because I'll have more interviews from D&H Next Plus and a recap of the event as well. What a week.